Welcome back to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we're exploring the %min built-in function, which allows us to easily find the minimum value among a set of operands. The %min function returns the minimum value from its operands, which must be compatible for comparison. Let's walk through an example to see how it works. Here, we have three variables, number 1 initialized to 60, number 2 initialized to 71, and number 3 initialized to 88. Now, using the %min function, we can determine the smallest value among these numbers. In our example, the line result equals %min, number 1, number 2, number 3, assigns the smallest value among these variables to result. After executing this line, result will contain 60, which is the smallest number among 60, 71, and 88. And that's how simple it is to use %min in IBM I. Whether you're working with numeric values or compatible data types, %min ensures you can quickly find the smallest value with ease. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %min built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Stay tuned for more tutorials on IBM I programming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. Happy coding!